It has rained so long.
Yeah.
We should probably jump to our floaties. It may start a flood. Look how much the seawater has risen.
Yeah. Look at our buildings over there.
Yeah.
We're getting flooded.
Yeah.
We need to get to our buildings, okay?
Okay. Oh no! It has started to rise. The water level has started to rise. Quick, to your floaty. Okay, I made it.
I made it too. Whoa.
Hello, why are you still down there and I'm up here, bro? Bro, are you flying or what?
I don't know, but we gotta get to our buildings. That's the only important thing.
Okay.
Gotta get to our
Oh, no.
buildings.
Yeah.
Where even are they? Can't see them.
Me too. It's too much rainwater. And the rain.
I think I see.
You're sinking.
Oh no.
I need to save you. Yeah. Oh my God. Quick, take you so quick you can to your building.
Oh, it's over there. I see it.
Yeah. Quick, come to your building. I can't move. I can't move.
Oh no.
I think I'm going to get stranded.
Wait, okay, take my floaty, I can swim.
No. Don't swim. Come back to yours. Come back.
Oh no.
Come back.
Oh my God.
Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm trying to climb up.
Where are you?
It doesn't let me climb.
Where are you? Are you flying? Oh, there you are.
Help me. Please.
I'm stuck here. I'm going to Shane's pool. I'm quick. I'm going to you. I'm also swimming to you. Jump, quick, jump.
I'm trying to.
Swim up.
No. I fell down.
Quick, go to the spiral tower.
Yeah, that's all.
Swim! Quick! Swim to the spiral tower and climb it. That's our only. And go and don't forget to be walled. Quick, get to the top of it.
I'm up.
The spiral tower. Get to the top of it quick.
I'm following you. We are not safe here, I promise.
I know. Get to the top of our buildings.
Yeah, I can't. I'm running to the spiral tower.
I'm already on the top.
Where I am now.
Wait, we need to jump. Jump!
No, wait. We can launch us up in our towers. No, it didn't work. Wait.
Quick, before it comes. The water's near you. No!
Why does it want to launch me?
Because you need to do that to click on launch. You're going to die. You jump, turn gravity on, and jump. With wall on. And climb like me, I did.
I'm going to my building.
Where are you?
I'm going to the tallest building. That's my... Oh no, I fell. Wait, I'm up again. I'm up here. I'm going to your building instead.
I'm on the top of the mini building.
Okay.
Now I'm launching me. Quick, Go, just parkour up so quick as you can.
I'm going up the stairs. It's much more safe.
No, be quicker.
God, the flood is scaring me so much.
Where are you?
Climb up!
Where are you?
Friend, this might be our last day alive.
I'm on the top of the smallest building. Where are you?
I got go on the wall.
On the walls?
Oh,
Where are you?
I'm coming.
Quick, I'm here. I'm launching myself. Oh. Ah!
I'm going up to my building.
Me too. And I'm not even close. Ah! Why?
Close. Oh, I'm not.
I know. It's going to space. Is
Wait.
that you?
We gotta jump to your building. This is gonna take too long.
Wait. Stand still. I think I see you. The water's not so close. Stand still. I'm close.
Yeah,
I think
let's go on your building. It's much.
my building. The big tall building is mine. That building is 400. I can see the top. I'm so close.
Me too. I'm following. Wait, is it only me, or did the rising water go up? It's more. Did it go up faster?
Quick! I don't know, but quick! I'm up here. I can see you as a little dot. Be quick!
This is so scary. Wait, is that going in free? Come on.
I'm so close. I'm so
Wait,
close.
is that free speed? Oh my god, we are so dead. I'm sorry, dude. Ah, I'm stuck.
You can't be stuck. I'm so close now.
Yeah, me too.
Ah! I tripped.
This is the largest building we have, so if this doesn't work,
I'm up here.
wait. I'm in the building. So come on.
No
water's
way.
going up so fast.
Yeah.
For yourself. Oh no.
This is what happens when I did not. Wait, I can't even see the water. Oh, the water is. I can't even see the water. I'm jumping down by. Ah, the water! The water!
My friend. I can't live without him.
Quick, we need to swim to the secret bunker under the map.
Okay.
Yeah, stick.
Let's.
No.
We're not horses, we're humans and humans aren't. Och nu tar vi bort.
And now we're so fast, and we're not even fast. These guys,
Swimming down.
we need to wait. Yeah, I'm going down. Guys, we finally made it to the bottom. Be quick. Come, friend, come. Quick, we need to swim. Swim. In here. To the secret bunker with no water.
I'm coming. It's hard to come in.
Friend. Where are you, friend? Friend.
Coming. It doesn't let me open the door.
Are you even here?
I'm in.
Okay, where are you? In the sewer?
I'm in the building.
Bruh, I said the sewer.
Sewer, where is it? Oh, down here. I see it.
Come quick. This is the only safe. Come now. You're defying gravity. Come now. Okay, guys. See you in a couple of months when everything's normal. guys. Now someone has gone. Hopefully the water. Yes, the water. No, the water is gone. And if it's not gone, we're going. I'm going to drag it out.
I'm gonna check this out. It
Okay.
has to be gone by now.
I'm stuck in here while you. Okay. I can't even. All I want is to get out. Help. No, I can't get. Yes, I got out. It's water. We need to survive. Guys, now it's finally normal. We can. I'm going up now.
Yeah, our building stuff already been destroyed.
Yeah.
You know what will be fun?
No.
You know there's a park here. We can.
What park? Bruh, why it's float? Our floaties are still here, right? And it's raining. We should probably wait till the rain is over.
Yeah, but we can.
Oh, finally, the rain is gone. I'm going to. Is this an air balloon? Friend, we need to. I'm going to try the air balloon. Quick!
Island over there. Get it.
Oh, what? Wait to the guys. Bye, but see you in the next video for part 3.
Bye.
Bye.
Might investigate the island. Who knows?
Yeah.
Bye.